And we'll come check on it later. Bye for now. Alright, it's the next day, and everything's cured, so it's time to demold. Now, I did have a little bit of resin left over after we poured this, so I couldn't waste it, so I poured some other little things. We'll go ahead and demold them first. Let's see how they came out. Let's see. See our little sea turtle. Yeah. Figure these would be good for silhouette. A silhouette look and something else. Let's see how this came out. Oh, look at that. That was what was left, the last little bit of that glitter. And then I poured the black over the top of it. I like that. And then, of course, dolphin. Blue dolphin, definitely. There we go. It's cute. And then this is a little flower. And oh, wow, look at that. It's a little skull. I like how that came out. Let's see how they came out. I mean, this side looks really neat. I just don't know what the back side, what the top is going to look like. I'm not looking either.